Okay, time to learn and finish the week how we call the last day of the week. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have first official version, bazar, or like I said, used most of the time with the word günü, which means the day of. Bazar. Bazar is, like I said, bazar günü, Sunday. Now, let's discover phrases to learn how else we call the Sunday and in some sentences. Phrases first. On Sundays or Sunday evening. Let's see. Pazar günleri. See, gün is singular, günler plural. That's why you see on Sundays, pazar günleri. Sunday evening, pazar akşamı. And of course, finally, another way of using the word Sunday besides pazar is yedinci gün. Literally means seventh day. Now, pazar günü burada indirim olur. Ona göre dostlarla orada görüşmeyi planlaştırırız. There's a discount here on Sunday. So we're planning to meet there with friends. Some mysterious location. Let's see. İndirim, discount. Burada, here, pazar günü, Sunday. Olur, there is. Ona göre, that is why. Dostlarla with friends. Orada, there. Görüşmeyi, to meet. Planlaştırırız, we're planning. Did you see? There is no biz, which means we. Is planlaştırırız. The suffix will tell you who is planning. Plan is a plan. Planlaştır. Plan imperative. Planlaştırırız. We are planning. Next sentence. Pazar günü ailemle uzun bir seher yemeği ettikten sonra parka gitmeyi planlaştırırım. Another plan. Çünkü iş haftası başlamazdan evvel biraz dinlenmeye ihtiyacım var. On Sunday, after having a long breakfast with my family, I plan to go to the park because I need to relax a bit before the work week begins. Pazar günü ailemle on Sunday with my family uzun bir seher yemeği ettikten sonra after having a long breakfast parka gitmeyi planlaştırırım. I plan to go to park. Did you notice planlaştırırız? Now here planlaştırırım. That's how you know from the suffix who is planning. Çünkü because İş haftası başlamazdan evvel before the work week begins. İş haftası work week. Başlamazdan evvel before begins. Biraz, a little, a bit. Dincelmeye ihtiyacım var. I need to relax, to rest. Okay. That was today's word, bazar, which is used 99.9% of the time with the word günü, the day of bazar, which means, and also we learned that we call it yedinci gün, literally seventh day. Now, that joke use. Sure, let's meet on Bazaar. My calendar loves surprises. Now, if you are interested in more than here, word of the day, with some grammatical, cultural, historical, and more tips, there's masterofgene.com where I post every 10 days. Feel free to check it out. Or if you're just interested in learning and setting up foundations you need for the language, I have built a Master of Zerbajani app that is available in App Store and Google Store, where Module 1, that is the foundations, is completely free. Feel free to check that out and let me know what you like, what you don't like, open for any feedback that you may have. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for a brand new week. Cheers.